Hey everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My tip for today is how to save a draft of your post. So maybe you're doing a post and then you still need to get some more information and you want to save it because you're not yet ready to send it. So how do you do this? So let's go to you go to home to your newsfeed and you see the little box that says start a post. You click on that. Now I have a post that I've already created. So I'm actually just going to put it in here. And so then I'm going to scroll down and maybe I'm not yet ready to share this post. So what do I do? Do you see the little X on the top right hand corner? So I'm going to click on that. And then it says save this post as a draft. The post you started will be here when you return. So I could either discard it and then I lose everything, or I can save it as a draft. So I save it as a draft. Okay, so the post has disappeared, but say I come back after a while. So let's just click home again. So, okay, and then I click in this little box at the top on home that says start a post. I click on it and you can see my post is here. Isn't that cool? And the interesting thing I noticed was you can, if you're using your desktop, you can create and save a post as a draft on your desktop, but it does not save on your mobile. So if you want to try this little hack, you can create one post on your desktop and save it. You could create another post on your on your app and save that, and it'll be two separate. I can't show you my phone right now, but if I was to go to LinkedIn and I clicked on start a post, it's like really tiny. So, but you can see this post is not saved on my LinkedIn app. So I could create another one there and save that as a draft and they won't override each other. Okay, so that's my tip for today. Have you ever saved a draft? Let me know in the comments. And actually, I just did want to add one more thing. If you save a draft with a photograph or a video and you want to edit it later after you open it again, for instance, I can edit this, right? I can edit the text. But if I was to attach a photograph or a video, and then I went back to the post later, I would not be able to remove the photograph and add another one, or remove the video and upload another one. I would have to discard the draft and start all over again. So just keep that in mind, because I will be actually adding a video to this, but I'm going to do it when I'm ready. So that's a hack as well. All right, thank you so much for watching. And if you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again next week. Bye.